I got 3 things that you can do to help support drip. 3 things that you can do today that will take you less than 5 seconds to do to help support drip. It's been a while since I've done a video whilst driving. I started this channel basically just kind of ranting in the car while I was driving. Not sure if anyone would actually watch any of this crap. But I primarily like to do videos, you know, when I'm at my desktop and I can pull stuff up. But I figured I got a really busy day today, and I had a busy day yesterday, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to do that, but I still wanted to get something out. Okay, so 3 things. First, you guys, I'm sure all saw the Crypto Junkies AMA with Forex Shark. What I suggest you do if you haven't already is go to the Crypto Junkies YouTube channel, like that video, and leave a comment. I've left like 2 already, okay? So help get that out to more people, because their audience is different from the usual drip maxis that watch all, you know, the regular drip videos, right? So it's getting more people exposed to drip. Second thing is, and I talk about it all the time, the Reservoir. The Reservoir, baby. I've been getting comments about, hey, how much money should I put in the Reservoir? You know, what do I need to get started? It's as little or as much as you want. There really isn't. There is kind of a standard rule of thumb. If you've got like 100 drip or less, put in 0.1 BNB. So at today's prices, that's about 30 bucks, right? And when I think about the amount of views that I usually get on my channel, it's, you know, roughly, you know, 1,000 views I'm averaging. So imagine if just half of you actually put 0.1 BNB in today into the Reservoir. Just half of you. That would be 50 BNB total into the Reservoir. Right? That's 15 grand that would be added to the Reservoir today if just half of you took action. Not bad. Not bad. We are seeing more and more people adding to the Reservoir, and this is fantastic. I mean, I think that it's really showing how we can, with just, you know, small little things that we do as a community to help support this whole ecosystem, and we're seeing that it is working in terms of creating a floor. So I will be doing a video, obviously, probably if I can do one later today, I will. But I know that there's definitely some, you know, a little bit of concerns about the pig's price right now. You know, I mean, look, I think that there's a lot of people that did a time lock for the first week, and, you know, they're wanting to just take some profits. And so we're going to see this, and this could be a great opportunity to, you know, get in if you haven't already at these prices. Keep in mind that on the weekend, we will probably see some selling off a little bit with drip. That's typically what happens on the weekend. So, you know, the last time I looked at the chart, I mean, you know, I look at it on the deck screener, and, you know, it's looking good. We got a little staircase going here. So let's hope the momentum continues, but don't be alarmed if you see the price kind of come down. Oh, the third thing, don't think I didn't forget. The third thing you can do to help support the price of drip and the whole ecosystem is to like this video. Comment. Let's see if we can get this thing out to more people. If anything, get my channel out to more people, because you guys know that I'm slightly moon boy with drip. You know, I've got some other YouTubers that, you know, I talk with, and they try and keep it more, you know what I mean, like objective, and which I think is great. I'm a little bit more subjective. No, but it's because it's one of the DeFi projects that I really think has the longevity to get us through this bear market, you know. And if you go back to that Crypto Junkies AMA, one of the things that really, you know, stood out to me is, you know, Forex Shark said in that Crypto Junkies video, one of the best hedges for a bear market is to get into yield farming. I think we're going to see that during, you know, this downturn in the markets right now, I mean, people are still looking to bring in, you know, income, and passive income with DeFi has become something that people, you know, got a little taste of this past year and want more and more of. The problem is that a lot of these projects are unable to sustain. So I think that people are going to start seeing that drip is something that is actually sustainable and is going to be around for a bit. And as these other projects continue to fail, unfortunately, more eyes are going to be turning towards drip. That's my opinion. I'm sticking to it. So hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Let's get this. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one.